If you've been looking for the home that checks literally all the boxes, I found it right here at 5207 34th Street, Kenosha, Wisconsin. Come take a look. Cozy living room featuring a stunning floor-to-ceiling fireplace. Inside, you will love the spacious kitchen. Plus, convenient first floor laundry makes everyday living just a little bit easier. One of the best parts, no neighbors to the south, giving you extra privacy while relaxing on the back deck. All of this located in a prime location, close to shopping, restaurants, and quick access to I-94. Thanks for checking this house out. If you have questions about this home or any home in southern Wisconsin, always feel free to reach out at 262-749-1060. We'll talk soon.